Getting accurate, reliable and reproducible data can be difficult, and that's why we built in this next feature, our metronome, into the testing process. This helps you standardise your assessment and make sure next time you go back and perform the same assessment that you're getting the same results. So the metronome is hidden in the top right hand corner of the screen. So if I just push the metronome button there, you'll see that the metronome drops down, this time into the rep counter. And then simply I can hit the plus buttons or slide the slider bar up to set the tempo that I want to run that particular test in. And so all I do is then hit the play button and you'll start to hear a metronome beat. Okay, and then I can count the reps done alongside that when my patient's doing something like a single leg squat or a single leg calf raise, for instance. Might be 2 tests that you might utilise this particular feature. And then to turn it off, I just simply can pause that and I can save my results. You'll also see on this testing screen it's built in as well. So for other tests which don't use some of the other testing tools like the rep counter or the countdown timer, you can still use the metronome, which will then, you push the metronome button, comes to the bottom of the screen, and again you'll have that testing data there to be able to standardise your assessment processes. So a really neat tool to be able to utilise and standardise your testing. And when we go through all the individual tests in the training portal, you'll see some examples of some tempos that are often useful to use for particular tests.